Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on fingerprint. And as you can see, before we will be able to do it, we have to set a regular screen lock, so the pattern pin or password. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be transferred to another step. If not, just tap on set screen lock. You really have to do it. You will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. Let me pick the pattern, tap on next, let me draw it, next, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so just mark the option you want to use and tap on done. And right here we can simply tap on add fingerprint. Here we've got the information what we have to do, so basically we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So simply tap on next and let's do it. As you can see, right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's tap on finish. And here we've got more options connected with the fingerprint. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. We can view enrolled fingerprints, so you can check the fingerprints you've previously added. You can add another. And here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so of course it's up to you. Here we've got also the scenes application and unlock with screen off. So basically, in this option, I highly recommend to keep the first one active, because in this option you will have to only put your finger on the sensor to unlock the device, and in the second one not only put but also press, so it may be difficult in some situations, but of course it's still up to you. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.